So here I'm going to show you guys how to use the left function and the right function, and grabbing it from a different sheet, of course. But basically, so in case 6, we see here it says years in business. So we want to know how many years the Florida Power has been in business. So we're going to go to new clients, and we see here that the Florida Power has been in business for 35 years. But we want to grab this without grabbing everything. So for that, we're going to basically insert left here. So we're going to go ahead and put left. And we want to go to the new client sheet. You want to go here. We're going to click on this cell, and then we're going to put a comma, and then we're going to put 2, we're referencing basically that we only want the 2 to the left of this cell. We're going to close it and press enter, and that gives us the 35. So as you can see here on the new clients, gives us the 35 years versus putting 30. The text years is just giving us the 35. So then we're going to go back here, and then for the state, we also want the right. So we don't want like Atlanta or Miami. We just want the quick reference. So North Carolina, Florida, and so on, or Florida. So we want that. So we're going to go back here to Orlando. I'm going to put the equal sign, and we're going to put right. We're going to click the right, and then we're going to go back to the other sheet. We're going to click the cell, then we're going to put a comma, and then we only want the 2 to the right. So then we close it, boom, and there you go. So now we know that the Florida Power has been in business for 35 years. The state is Florida. And then we're going to fill in the ranges here, and then it's going to pull all the years from that sheet and all the states from the sheet. Just to verify, we'll go here to 12 in North Carolina for coastal energy, and then we're going to go to coastal energy, and 12 years North Carolina from Raleigh. So just like that, that's how you do that. And yeah.